Good morning, beautifuls. How are you going? Yeah, my voice is doing something weird. The neighbours were partying on last night, and so it was a little bit crazy. And I was awake for most of the night up until when did they go to bed? Something like 1 or 2 o'clock. Anyway, don't know what was going on, but it is, New Year celebrations. So it may be just they were having a fat time doing their little Christmas party. Hang on a minute. Just trying to change the volume. Don't know if that made any difference. In the background, yeah, one of my paintings follows you around a little bit, that one. Yeah, the tiger. Anyway, so how are you? Good. I'm actually doing all right. I didn't paint this one. I just thought I'd come over here and show you that one. That's a lovely flowery scene. I have been banana armoring, and I'm going back to do that. I've just spent hours on the internet this morning. Like you have to do, delete emails, unsubscribe, all that type of thing. And so I've been up with the glasses doing the thing, and it's been a morning. So I'm going to now show you the dehydrated bananas. Look at them. Sorry, I had to walk over here. And yeah, these ones are a little bit black. Don't know what happened there, but I'm sure they're fine. And I've just got trays and trays of them. And they're looking absolutely beautiful, and they taste amazing. So I'll be putting them in this jar here. Nice big jar. I do have to get them off, and sometimes it means using a scraper, and sometimes it means just popping them in. Just depends. So if you're thinking of dehydrating, these are my beautiful Asian beauties. They're a smaller banana and a smaller tree. They don't grow real high. Now, if you find any that are still a little soft because they're very thick, I usually eat them, but you can put them back in. Yum. I'll leave that one there. I probably will come across a few, and I'll make a tray of the ones that I don't think are ready. I usually use a egg lift or an egg flipper, but these are coming off quite well, which is really good. And these will last, well, they don't last me a year, but sometimes up to 2 years. It just depends on it just depends on how you store them. I always store them in glass, in these big old jars. But I will get the egg flip because some of these aren't coming off very well. Anyway, that's what I've been doing, and I've got another lot to go this morning. I've frozen some with skins off, and they will turn into ice cream, and then some with skins on, and therefore other things like when I make wine maybe. Oh yeah, they're all my frozen meals. So I freeze meals, and that keeps me going through the month. But anyway, yeah, so I just thought I'd quickly come in. I've got this to do. I probably need 2 hands, but I just thought I'd show you briefly what I'm doing and how I'm going with that. So catch you all later. Enjoy the day. My voice is going weird. Enjoy the day, and get some bananas. So these are organic Asian beauties, or Asian babies, I think they call them. I'll let you know the full name, but they're a lovely tree to get. They only grow about say 8 foot high, and so they're not like the ladyfingers that can grow, well, 3 meters, 4 meters high, and they can be really, really huge. And yeah, I mean, they taste great, but honestly, these are very sweet. They're very beautiful. They're excellent for doing everything that I want to use them for. So I encourage them to grow. I've replanted them into a new area because the old area they weren't doing really well. And so I decided to plant them in a different area, and they're doing really well. So yeah, really excited about that. So yeah, I've managed to clean up a little bit too. The other day it was pretty busy with everything that I just chucked down after coming back from being away. And yeah, but yeah, get your bananas on. All right, ciao for now, lovelies. Bye.